Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess. This video is going to be a little different. I'm going to actually be showing you my new mattress, okay? So I have recently got out of a relationship, a 10-year relationship. So you know how it is when you're in a 10-year relationship, you tend to do a lot of things. So I had a very worn mattress, okay? So it's time to upgrade. Plus, you know, I had a child, you know, so my son was spilling all types of juice and milk all over the mattress. So it was time for a new mattress. So I got the Lull mattress. I'm super excited. So y'all already know how this video is gonna go. I'm gonna show you when my mattress gets here. I'm gonna pull it into the room and then we are going to set it up right in front of you so that you can see how easy it is, okay? So stay tuned if you wanna see this. Okay, so my mattress is here. It is in this box. It was just delivered via FedEx, I think. So I'm gonna pull it into my room. And it is quite heavy. It is a queen size. I'm just gonna show you what the box looks like. So my room is small, so excuse it. I really have to, you know, make room. But this is the box that it comes in. Okay, so I'm just gonna take it out and we're gonna set it up on my box. I just want to get on it and just feel how comfortable it is. Y'all know I'm plus size, y'all. Y'all know. So, oh my God, it's so I don't want to get up. Oh my God, it is so comfortable. I'm excited, y'all. So, this is really special to me, this mattress, and I feel like it came at the right time because recently I found out that my ex-fiance is now in a relationship. He lives with his girlfriend, and you know, they're basically just starting their lives together, and I just really needed something else, like something else that I felt like was closure. Me sleeping on that bed every night, I started to think in my head like, wow, like, you know, we're really not together anymore. And it's been probably like 8 months since we broke up, but I'm not saying it hurt, but to hear that he moved on so quickly and like it's nothing, it kind of like, you know, it just brought me back to those feelings. So getting a new mattress where I'm able to start over, definitely, I feel like it's going to help me out. I feel excited about it. I don't have any bodies on this mattress. It's brand new. This mattress is going to be just like me, celibate. So we will both be waiting until marriage. So hopefully I can keep her just like this, you know, brand new and no spill. First off, what I am noticing is that it is very soft. They say it's like the happy medium between soft and firm, but I feel like it is very soft, but that could be because of my size. I'm plus size, and I believe that this holds up to 225 per person. Okay, so this mattress is made for people that are a little small. I would say medium and small, but I still wanted to try it out because I am a little bit over 225. But yeah, I still wanted to try it out, and honestly, when I lay on my side, it feels extremely comfortable. Like, I know I'm gonna have like the best sleep. It is so comfortable. I don't even feel like I need a pillow right now. So yeah, I can't wait to go to sleep tonight. But right now, what I want to do, like what I usually do at night before I go to bed, is I go through my calendar, my daily planner, and I basically just write what happened during the day, and I've been doing that for the whole entire year. Like, I'll write down either plans or how the day went, things that I did. So it's Saturday, so today I'm just gonna write that I installed my mattress and I slept on it for the first time. Now, no, this is a sponsored video, so I was given this mattress free of charge from Lull, but I will have, but everything that I've been saying in this video has been my honest opinion. Like, it is really soft. It feels very, very comfortable. I'll see what it feels like tomorrow, and I'll include it in the video, or if I already have the video up, I'll put it in the description box and let y'all know just how I slept. But for the most part, it is very comfortable. If you want to get this mattress, or you know, test out this mattress, I will have a coupon code for you down in the bottom bar. And something that's good is it ships free of charge, so you're just going to be paying for the mattress. You don't have to pay for it to ship to you. As you saw, it was easy installation. You will get a 100-night free trial and free returns if you don't like the mattress. But my code would give you $150 off the mattress. It's expensive, but it is definitely worth it so far. I'm just gonna let y'all know how I sleep at night. I know that the first night is gonna be just different for me. I might even shed a tear, I don't know. It's just kind of like an emotional adjustment. It's just an adjustment that I feel is going to make me emotional. Okay, this is something new, and this is like me fully starting over for real this time, like starting all over again. So we shall see how this works out, but thank you so much to Lull for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited to sleep on my new mattress, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Again, I'm gonna have all the specs and everything you need to know down in the bottom bar. Thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye, y'all.